If you've ever defecated, stained your shorts, or lived like a Bedouin, you know how frustrating it is. Well, not anymore. Now there's toilet paper. With toilet paper, you can easily remove feces from your buttocks. You will never again be slowed down by foul discoloration on your pants or shorts. Skid marks, dingleberry stains, cheese. Toilet paper cleans them all out. Toilet paper is a must-have for people with Montezuma's Revenge, the runs, the shits, juicy fruits, Hershey squirts, sports page syndrome, or even Mediterranean milk mud. Toilet paper is quick and easy to use. If you can shake hands with a friend, you can use toilet paper. You simply defecate as you normally would. When finished, you take a few squares of toilet paper and wipe your anus and surrounding skin. It's that simple, it's that easy. Notice that toilet paper acts like a sponge, which is an ideal surface for cleaning up fecal residue. What once sullied your skin has been transferred to the toilet paper. In fact, this toilet paper wiping process works so well that, ladies, you can even use toilet paper to wipe your urethra after urination. And even if you don't get all the fecal matter with one application, we encourage you to use several applications of toilet paper to ensure your anus is wiped clean. Toilet paper is a must for every bathroom, public restroom, rest stop, truck stop, outhouse, camper, and porta potty. And best yet, toilet paper is affordable and sold in all industrial Western nations. Toilet paper is also available quilted, rippled, perfumed, colored, pattern medicated, and can even be pre-treated with skin conditioners. Don't wait until the next time you blow mud all over your buttocks or find racing stripes in your favorite pair of shorts. Get toilet paper now. Imagine! No more skid marks, no more dingleberries, no more silly string, and no more cheese. You'll use toilet paper over and over for the rest of your life.
Thank you, toilet paper. You have turned my Gaza Strip into a no-fly zone.
Toilet paper will be the best investment you ever flush down a toilet. Toilet paper is not recommended for use in absorbing menstrual fluids. Excessive use of toilet paper could cause anal chafe and some types of ass rot, including Shanghai sphincter and cornhole.